How to fix Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles, crashing on Steam. So first go to the library and right click on your game and open up the properties window. And then go to installed files and hit the button that says verify integrity of game files. And wait for this process to finish checking your files. And once this is done, you want to switch back to the general tab and then under launch options, you should try to type -D3D11. Or you can try -DX11 if the first option did not work. And once you're done, you can close out of this window and close Steam. Next, you will need to open up your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you should use NVIDIA app. And then go to the drivers section and make sure to download and install the latest Game Ready driver. You can also try to hit the reinstall button if you have it already installed. And then the last step is to try to disable overlays. So go to settings, make sure to disable NVIDIA overlay, Discord overlay as well, and any other application that might have an overlay interfering with the game and crashing it. You can also go to Steam, hit the Steam button on the top left, go to settings, and then go to in-game section. And then from here, disable the overlay. Next, you will need to restart your computer, and then just before launching the game, you will need to open Steam as administrator. Right click on Steam and click on Run as admin, and then just launch the game right now, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.